Hi, everyone. This is an example of a key strategic partner plan, and it is just very, very rough and rudimentary, but it applies when we talk about falling in love with the customer, not your solution. When you look at a typical golfer, so this is an example we prepared for somebody who wants to work with golfers, who has a product or service that is needed by golfers. And so we've created a key strategic partner plan for a podcast. So the specific audience is golfers who want to improve their game. We're probably reaching a middle aged, affluent male audience. And so the guests we're going to have on the podcast are going to be strategic partners who offer something of value to our audience. So that is the secret ingredient. This is about being strategic. So whether you're running a podcast or writing marketing material or networking, you need to fall in love with your customer, your client, not your solution. So, just very quickly, when we look at a golfer, the very, very first thing that comes to mind is the apparel. They wear something to come golfing, so they have to be dressed appropriately. They're going to have things like watches, they're going to wear a hat, they're going to have sunglasses, they're going to wear a shirt, they're going to have a belt, pants, they're even going to have shoes. Now, they might have golf gloves, they might have a coach, they'll probably have a caddy. Once they've got the clubs, they need to have a ball or balls. They need to have a tee. They'll have scorecards. Um, but the fundamental thing is they'll need to have a place to golf. So a golf course. Now that golf course will have somebody, an arborist, take care of the trees, a greenskeeper to take care of the grass. There's probably somebody who deals with irrigation and fertilizer. There's going to be training facilities. They'll serve refreshments and probably golf carts. There's people who manufacture the golf carts, people who maintain them. Um, After they golf, there's probably physical therapy or chiropractors. And what I do know about a lot of golfers is they like their cigars a lot. So that is what a key strategic partner plan might look like if you're looking to reach golfers. If you'd like to learn more, my friend Pete has a podcast and a digital magazine designed for golfers. I'll put a link in the notes below. Thank you.